Hello, dear. You can see the date and time is one. This is correct. And now I need to connect the TUYA Wi-Fi. I will click the button 5 times. Okay. And open TUYA app. 8 device. Camera and lock. Lock Wi-Fi. Input your Wi-Fi password here. Next. Confirm. And now wait a minute. Okay, it's successful. Done. And now the lock is has connected the app successfully, and you can see the time and date is right. Okay, so you don't need to modify it yourself. It will update when the lock is connect the app successfully. And first, I need to administrate the ministry password. Here you can add administrator input password as administrator password. Enter again.
Entered successfully. Please enter unlocked information.
Okay. And now I need to. If you use the temporary code directly, it will can't open the lock. You must need to add member management first. Add fingerprint. Okay,
Entered successfully. Please enter unlocked information.
The administrator password is entered successful, and we will leave the page. And now I need to add member management. We can't use the temporary code directly. First we need to add a fingerprint.
Please enter.
Okay.
Unlocked
Add
information.
fingerprint on the lock.
Enter again. Enter again. Enter again. Enter again. Entered successfully.
Okay, successfully. Now I use this finger to open the lock. Successfully. Use an unregistered finger to open the lock. Can't open. It means the fingerprint is entered successfully. And now I use a temporary code. One-time code. 8. Get code. 5549 195828. Okay. It's successful. Done. If I leave the page, I can't. The one-time password can only use one time. So when I leave the page, it will not be saved. I can show you other add a code. Input 5
Please enter unlock.
and
Please enter unlock information.
unlock add code.
Enter again. Entered successfully.
Okay. Okay. And now I will add the card. Fine.
Please enter Please enter unlock information. Entered successfully.
Successful. Okay. If your mobile phone have a NFC function, you can use the cards to connect your mobile phone. Open the NFC. Okay, it's successfully. You can open the lock by your NFC mobile phone.